Aligria. Number 25, Beltran. Number 7, River. Number 15, Aguirre. And number 8, Valdez. Coach ng Pilar. 18, De La Cruz, number 1, Battle. Number 21, Senior, and number 11, Garcia. Para may Ugan sa Watanag Silang. Lingkasin kami na palalo. Kaya nangyayari yung nag-alkit Silang. Tanggapin na pusko ang referee. Between Battle and Aguilugan. This possession goes to the black shirts. Madrid now advance to the baseline. Madrid pass Madrid. Alegria yan. Bigay kay Beltran, bigay Des, pass a clean. May good. Wala push, here's the rebound. Solier ngayon, setting the play. Solier inside pass to Battle. Bandas now, clear Aguilugan. Bigay kay Rido. Balik kay Aguilugan. Aguilugan spins. Natapikan. Rido takes, Rido drives. Biden, no good. Agawang dito, napunta kay Solier. Solier ngayon, 2. De La Cruz, libre. Madrid, libre. Six minutes, 38 seconds. Valdez now, nagmamadali. Valdez tuloy-tuloy. No good. Rito na yan, guys, finish line. Bigay kay Valdez. Valdez finish. Madrid now. Madrid. Grabe yan. First shot. Baseline inbound, Alegria. Alegria, inside pass to Aguilugan, double team, triple team. Alegria, nagawan. Valdez out of bounds, save no fire. Solier now, Solier fires. Kapus, kapalaran. Rido, Nelson, and here's foul on number 1, Battle. That's your first personal foul, and first team foul. Two defense for Battle. Rido, Rido's first was out. Second foul, yes, good, split champion. Solier to Madrid, no good. Garcia, Diban, Batoy, malakas, follow up. Valdez ngayon, Valdez is fouled. Inbound, Rido to Alegria. Alegria, bigay kay Beltran. Beltran inside pass to Aguilugan. Tabiban, yes! ating skor lamang ng dalawa ang tumasan. Madrid libre sa press. Wala pa rin. Valdez ngayon, nagmamadali. Valdez, tuloy-tuloy, Lenzin. Goal. Lamang ng rabat ang tumasan. Inside pass. 7 minutes, 27 seconds remaining. First period, Valdez inside pass, rebound, libre. Thompson style. Garcia, Pulsinger, tight divided, double team, Garcia, libre sa press. Megad. Alegria, Torino. Rino, bigay ka Alegria. Yes, libre na gas. Soyer, bersih leader, goes to Madrid, against Saglugud. That's pass, Bella Cruz, Megad. Valdez ngayon, Valdez, Valdez. Easy two. 14-6. Walang nang wala ang tumasan. Sulier ngayon. Castro is fouled. Foul on number 6. Blocking foul. Sulier to De La Cruz. Fakes De La Cruz. 8 seconds to shoot. Rino, crossover dribble. Bigay ko Valdez. Valdez. Valdez to Delina. Delina space. Delina fakes. Back to Valdez. 17-6 ang ating score. 2 minutes 44 seconds remaining. First period, Madrid drives, malakas. Delina to Valdez. Valdez, first shot. Dapat the rebound, Wanda Garcia. Naaga, counter defensive play. Rebound. Rino pa rin. Delina drives. Ikapas, nakagay ni Sulier. Pass replay. Madrid, step up. Valdez. Inside pass, Delina, libre. Basket. May kasayang foul. Wallace Pico is considered 26. Nakapako sa atin ang tira. Madrid now. Bigay kay Garcia to Castro. Castro, De La Cruz libre. Wala pa rin. Valdez, swings, stars, no good. Sulier, third up, Valdez. De La Cruz yan. De La Cruz, nabitawan. Valdez now. Medved, ayun. Madrid to Sulier, back to Madrid. Listen, sayang. Foul number 21, Sulier. Delina scores is good. Madrid to Garcia. Sulier slashes the middle, third up, no good. Sulier, first shot. Rino now. Rino, 3-1 Blue. Agbogod to Valdez, Valdez left-handed, Delina. Yes, fouled. While number 18, Bola Cruz, that's your second personal foul. Number 7, yes, out. Garcia ngayon, bigay kay Madrid. Madrid stops and pops. Second goal was good. 23-10, 13-point lead for Tomasan. Tomasian basketball, Aguilagon. Aguilagon is our pass to Felix.
Lagan ko may bawon na luto.
Kaliblim, the big man, Kaliblim. Wow! 27-13 ang ating score. Bataan, 2 Laurel. Laurel, full shot. Aguilagon na yan. Bigay kay Amaros. Inside pass, Laurel. Laurel. Laurel, Avalos now, 2 Avalos, Abagaliatas, we are now Pueblos on basketball. Bataan now up against Avalos, highly guarded. Bataan is blocked. Baseline inbound, Laurel. Seconds to shoot. Castro for 2. Chris Long. Aguilagon. Felix, Bataan to Castro, Castro hits, Castro dives, Castro lays in, no! Agulugod na, agulugod to Kalimlin, Babigman, Solonis. Lora now. Lora Springs. Number 26. Lora Pewatan. Second row, tapos Laurel Borsa. Agulugod to Kalimlin. Adalah side steps. Number 23, Makasur, having foul. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Lagi atas terus, Wilson. Lagi atas second, is out. Laurel, Wilson, no! Sumberfire. Bataan to Sarmiento, back to Bataan. Bataan receives the screen, Bataan drives, Castro. Abel. Agulugod na yan, 3 against 1, Agaliagas, 6-2. Sarmian pa na yan. Bataan, goal! Adalas, 2 Kalimlin. Ay, agulugod pala. Agulugod inside pass. Felix, 22-15 ang ating score. Bataan. Makasur, tutira ng press. Agulugod, Rosa Laguna, inside pass, Felix, Bataan goal, good. 24-20 ang ating score. Agulugod, Thomas. Para number 22, Felix. Mandatory substitution. Bataan, gulong na daw. Bataan, Makasur, pasok. 24-22 ang ating score. Makadayog, pulis tayo. Back to Makadayog, Makadayog. Castro, passing play to Sarmiento, Sarmiento. Hold on, number 11, Agulugod. That's your first personal foul and third team foul. Sarmiento. Time out, commercial. Sarmiento. Solonis. Kalimlin to Avalos. Back to Kalimlin. Contact to the hand, that's your second personal foul, and fourth team foul. Second player is out. Foul number 27, Bataan, personal foul. First personal foul and second team foul. Estyle ngayon. 2 minutes. Estyle. Miscommunication. Sidewalk inbound. Sarmiento ngayon. Will Castro. Castro spins. Baba sa wala. Ang hinahabol ng Villar. Ang Villar sa Escalino. Bataan to Sarmiento. Back to Bataan. Bataan nakawala. Adalas na yan, 26-30, baba sa alin ng kaladaran. Ang tumasal, Estaya mo yan, dahil sa Ganesal. Estaya. Matatigan, kalimling ngayon. 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Estaya. Matatigan. Bataan nakawala. Second period. Adalas na yan. Adalas ka rin. And seconds to shoot. Adalas sa kalimlim. Set shot. That's your first personal foul. And that foul puts your team into penalty. Tangan ang bola. This is his win. Aguilera to Estaya. 8 seconds to shoot. Estaya libre. Kalimlim. 20 seconds. Got the result. Seconds. Bataan. Lari. And time. That's the end. Lalapit ba? Huwag kayong lalapit. Wala nga bata. Walang papasok ng court. Itigil nila ang pagbibigay kung papasok kayo ng court. Walang 7 p.m. Basta mag-i-start po tayo ng 7 p.m. at sunod-sunod na yung program na mangyayari doon. Mauna yung dinner at saka yung examiners. At doon sa ating mga performer na apat na manggagaling ng talentadong Pinoy. Dito mo ito makikita. Dinala ni Sir Philip dito yung nag-champion sa talentadong Pinoy. Bukas na bukas, magpe-perform sila dito. Palakpakan po natin ang ating pinakamamahal na commissioner, Sir Philip Dumantal! Bataan yan. Bataan, looking for receiver, finds Madrid. Madrid inside pass, naagaw. Rito yan. Ramos for free. Bataan now, sharing the play. Bataan drives inside pass. Nakatik. Sundal tayo. Baseline inbound. Madrid loses the under. Pass will play. Avalos. Nag-isa. Bataan yan. Bigay kay Madrid. Madrid spins. Tapay. Wala ang matangkad, Avalos. Ribo, back to Avalos. Ribo yan. Ribo. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez now. Crossfield pass, 5 seconds to shoot. Felix. Felix fouls. No. Bataan now. Bataan pa rin. Bataan drives to his left. 33-24 ang ating squad. Valdez to Rido. Felix yan. Rido. Rido Garfield. Naagang nilawal. Bataan ngayon. To Madrid. Madrid. Seven point lead. Felix now. Valdez is fouled. Foul for number 22. Sarmiento. That's your first personal foul and first team foul. Valdez plays for foul. Yes, good. 24-26 ang ating score. Madrid yan. Madrid fakes, Madrid pass. Ang ating score. 5 minutes, 35 seconds remaining. Third period, Colin Lynn, Madrid man, fakes, yes. First personal foul and second team foul. Daras free try ng Kalimlin. Tapos Kalimlin Daras balik sa sakto ang kalangan. 48-38 Madrid na yan. Lesson Surprise 48-40. Avalos na yan. Avalos pa rin. Avalos crossover. Bigay kay Ribo. Ribo. 5 seconds to shoot.
Meron nga nandiyan, pipila. Kung bago. Si Gauri. Gauri nandiyan, meron nga po.
Madrid Makasih Bogor Malakas Ruda Leon Ruda Fada Ganslan Ruda Adalah seorang dan saya susul advance golden number 27 Musibah Amalas bukan Madrid Rural Bataan ngayon bigay kay Sarmiento de la Cruz Amalas Insatas Amalas Madrid ke Sarmiento Bertegar Santa Maria Al-Ahmad Al-Ahmad Adalah seorang bigay kay Rido Beren dan saya susul Rido penurunan keras Lewat Banes Sarmiento bigay kay Bataan balik ke Sarmiento drive susah gas ditahan di Madrid Turnover Ruedas now Amalas Ruda Sarmiento lawan Madrid Sarmiento Bataan now dan saya susul Bataan Ruda seconds. Yes, Aglugot, papalitan si Bedes. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds shot clock. Felix, looking for the winner. Ryan Savalas, 5 seconds to shoot. Yes! Bataan to Castro, Sarmiento Libre. To Felix. 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Aguirre, Madrid, Bataan, 13 seconds remaining, 19 seconds to shoot. Balik sa center. 10 seconds. Sarmiento, and that's the end of the third period. And who's going to score? Last 10 minutes. Riba. To Aguirre. 2 Galiotas. 8 seconds to shoot. Riba across. No good. Lower rebound. Madrid down. Madrid wins it. Sayang, service. Pagbasan naman. Pumasan. Sarmiento Gomez. Winning the ball, where's the Calhoun is down. Hey, double winner, rather. Sarmiento for Bataan for three. Almost, but not quite. Move around. Bataan. Sidestep inbound. 10 seconds to shoot. Bataan. Isa pa. Okay. Aguirre naman. Rebound. 10 10 seconds to shoot. And United long two. 62-56, last 7 minutes, 48 seconds in the ballgame. Bataan, isa pa? Not this time. Substitution, Avalas and Vadas is replacing Abdulugad. And Vadas now. Ringo, Avalas, back to Ringo, 10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass, Valis, Ringo, good up. Sarmiento, left handed man, David. Felix, three Vadas. Madrid, Sarmiento. Avalas now, keep it going, Avalas. Vadas. Ten seconds to shoot, Vadas, nakaya. Makasih, Blazing. 7 lead. Rida, nakawala, Rida. Yo, Kalimay, Sarmiento, tinatahan, tatahan. Avalas musuh Fresni, Avalas live. Six-seven, 6-2, 5 minutes, 25 seconds remaining in the ball game. Madrid win. Madrid drives, Madrid. Seconds to shoot. Vadas lives. No. Colin Williams. At the Back to Avalos. 10 seconds to shoot. Ruba, Liga! 69-62. 1 minute remaining in the game. Bataan, Liga! Ruba ngayon. Ruba, Turbaret. Kalimlim. Makasib. 69-64. Valdez ngayon, Valdez, Abalon! Ayan! Bataan na yan, Bataan, Sulanay, Ibistiando, Madrid, Madrid! Valdez now, up against Sarmiento, now to Avalos, 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez, fouls for play, that is out. Bataan ngayon, Bataan na bitaw ng bola. Parang number 22, position of position 9. Valdez now.
Dapat yung ganda ni kinawatan.
10 seconds to shoot. Three seconds violation. Salvador Bang Madrid. Pusir. Valdez now. And Valdez steps on the sideline. Sarmiento is fouled. Running by Laurel. Bataan. 71-66. Last 2 minutes. Valdez to Riva. Riva. Madrid, pipila ng cross. 69. Good, nakapit. Riva yan. Riva Baltic. Senior from Madrid. Madrid drives. Tabal, Madrid drives. Madrid. Ball on number 31, Senior. Penalty. That's 1 minute 8 seconds remaining in the ball game. Bataan na yan. Bataan, Goku. Never.
Mamaya ta.
Ganas. The shot. Prisoner foul, and second point foul, 2 free throws, Real Madrid. Yes, good. Second play. Yes, ma'am. Yes, foul on number 22. That's your third personal foul.
Wala. Kalapit awit na lang tayo ng champion ko.
23.7 seconds remaining.
Breaking na mo.
Fortune and